Introduce yourself a bit.
Hi everyone, my name is Utkarsh. I am from Golden Eagles, recently moved in this batch and my running age is 11.
Hello everybody, my name is Akshat and I am running in the age of 11 and I am from batch of young leaders.
That's nice. So shall we commence? That's great. Okay, so the theme for both of you, as you both are school-going students, so I'll be raising questions related to it, okay? But the theme will be competition. As you know, in students' life, competition is something so common. So is it actually harmful or something which is needed, something so important in students' life? First, I want to know your perspective about competition.
See, but I believe that competition is very needed for a guy who is not perfect at his side. Means he need to increase himself, he need to test out but he is, how good he is. So he need to do a competition with somebody by which he can get the score of him that how good he is.
That's great. What do you feel?
As per my opinion, I believe the same as Utkarsh that we should always, there should be a type of competition between everybody here. And as competition leads to someone's their doubt. If you don't have doubt in yourself, so then you will be not improving. Then you will be saying to yourself, I am the best, so I will not be improving that much. And everybody performs not better than me. And these thoughts make you less confident and makes your knowledge doubtful.
Okay, so as you both mentioned your statements about competition, how does it impact, right? How does it impact in our life, in students' life mainly? I have got one more question. Is it required in students' life? Yes or no?
But I think so, it is.
It is required.
Yes. But I think it is required but at some areas only because it's not important to do competition much more times.
Okay. Have you ever felt, as you both are the students, have you ever realized it that competition has actually put you in stress?
Never ever. Because as we all know that competitions are the events that lead to our only improvement. And then there will be no competitions in our life, so we will not improve. Suppose you are enough too good to speak on any topic and you have well information, but still now you will be thinking that I have enough knowledge and I can speak on every topic. But still, you are not the perfect. As we know that no human can be perfect. So always learn and don't be a competitor be a competitor and don't think so that I am the best and always be a learner.
Okay, what do you?
My side even, but I think that I don't have fear of competition, but the person who have, let me tell you how he has it. First of all, the fear of failure. He has a fear of failure that he will fail in his life. He thinks that he would fail, so he would not try to give a competition to anybody.
That's right. That this fear of being failed actually pulls you down, right? Puts you in a lot of doubts. So this question arises a little bit about your life. That have you ever lost any competition?
Yes, I have lost many competitions in my life.
Okay. So after that competition, there is a feeling of doubting on ourselves. Like I have number of doubts about me, that am I perfect? That's what happened with most of the students. They start doubting themselves, that I'm not perfect, there's something which is missing in me, how can I improve, I'm not a perfect human being. These kind of questions, how one can tackle all these?
It might be very much critical on that time because we all know that we are so doubtful in ourselves. So the best way I want to even tell you all that sit at one place and talk to yourself. Talk to yourself that where you were lacking in this competition. Talk to yourself that in which aspects you have to focus more and improve more. And if you really talk to yourself alone in one and you do meditation twice in a day, so then of course this problem will be solved.
That's great. What do you feel?
See, a guy has same thing, same problem of fear of judgment, that if he has failed, So he thinks the society will judge him. They will say that he is bad, and due to that thing only the guy is feeling bad. So you should not have the doubts on yourself that what you are believing that I am not fine, so I can't do anything.
Being in this in such answers are not expected. That's amazing, wonderful answers. Man, I was completely shocked the way you both were speaking and the way you were giving the answers. Those questions are easy for one who has lived it. And आपने सच में बर इंग्लिश अकेडमी में आई थिंक इन सारी चीज़ों को जिया है. You have lived it, that's why able to answer so calmly. So I'll wish you to have beautiful energies as like this ahead. Thank you so much, Utkarsh. Thanks a lot, Akshat.